The Samsung Galaxy A55 is going to be launching tomorrow, but the unboxing video has been leaked today, which pretty much confirms everything we know about the device. The Galaxy A55 unboxing has been appeared in an icy blue color option, which is again looking pretty great. It's going to be coming with a new metal frame, which we already know through leaks and rumors, and this unboxing has confirmed that. We see that a new metal frame is going to be coming with a new key island on the side, which is again a new design coming for the Galaxy A55 as well. And one of the things which I really like about Samsung that they have put the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus option both on the front and the back side, which pretty much amazed me because these are the features that you would see in flagship level devices and they are trickling down towards the A series, which is again amazing thing to have. Another thing that you'll notice that you are going to see a square design of the Galaxy A55, which is again a good design choice from Samsung. The cameras on the back are going to be pretty much same as the last year, like triple camera sensor are going to be coming with 50 megapixel of main camera sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 5 megapixel of macro shooter. Honestly, I think that instead of the macro shooter, if Samsung has put the telephoto lens, then definitely it would be a better option. And a few days earlier, the same leakster has given us a live look of the green color option for the Galaxy A55, which pretty much look again very good. He also shares some of the specification of the upcoming Galaxy A55, which pretty much confirms that there is a metal frame, a key island design, and a new iconic design of square option is coming. The second thing which he mentioned that a 6.6-inch Infinity O 120Hz Super AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution is coming for the Galaxy A55. Plus, this new screen will be coming with 1000 plus nits of brightness and a VN booster, which is again a flagship level feature, is going to be trickling down into the Galaxy A55, which is honestly a great thing to have. He also mentioned that the reduced blue light emission is also coming with this new AMOLED display. Now, as far as the processor is concerned, it is coming with an Exynos 1480 processor with 8GB and 12GB of RAM option and 256GB of internal storage, and a new micro SD card slot is also supported. He also mentioned that a bigger vapor chamber is coming, which is again to cool down the device, and we expect that this new bigger vapor chamber could be giving you a longer consistent performance. For cameras, you will see a high resolution photo in daytime, 4 times brighter and sharper night photos, and more accurate bokeh with AI ISP. There will be a 4K video option support as well, and a dual recording both from the front and the back is also coming for the first time in the A series devices. You will also get a 5000 mAh battery, 25 watt of fast charging support is available. But unfortunately, no charger is coming inside the box, just like other Samsung devices. One interesting thing you will notice on that particular image that an eSIM is going to be coming for the first time in an A-series device, which is again a good thing to have in an A-series device. And honestly, I think that Samsung is moving towards making the A-series device some more value for money devices as compared to their S-series. IP67 rating is also coming, and one of the things which I really like that Samsung is going to be bringing a 4-year of software update and a 5-year of security update. The Android 14 is going to be coming with the Galaxy A55, and some of the S24 series AI features are going to be coming in the A55 series as well, which includes a single take camera feature, object eraser, image remaster, shot suggestion, and auto framing, which are again some of the AI features that you will see in the A55. And guys, as far as the pricing is concerned, a German retailer has already given us a hint about the pricing, and it could be around 450 euros for the Galaxy A55, which is again a good pricing to have with the kind of the feature they are coming inside. And guys, I'm super excited about the Galaxy A55, which is going to be launching tomorrow. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.